In this lesson, we will learn how to control cart list properties. In last lesson, we created this drawing sheet where few information is missing here. Now, here you can see for item number 6, 7 and 8, there are 3 names showing top border, gusset and end plate. Right click anywhere on this subfolder and go to properties. This way you can access cart list properties. Now all of those folders are showing inside it. Select top border and here you can see it has 3 properties: material, quantity and weight. Normally SolidWorks will detect few custom properties automatically. Then whatever new custom property you need it, you just have to add it. At this moment, inside this you can see tube or square. Here you can see this is that description, and all of that has description, but for this top border, gusset and end plate there is no description. Now go inside drawing sheet, select it, and it is showing cart list item name, which is actually a folder name. So go inside this cart list item properties and from here select this description. Now you can see this 3 does not have any information, so we have to fill up some information. So go inside this SolidWorks file, right click, select properties, select top board. Now we have to add a new custom properties called description. For this description, I will put top board. For this gusset, and description and put gusset. For end plate, I will do the same thing, end plate. Now press OK and go to inside this drawing sheet and you will see this is update. Now another very important information I have to add inside this table is length of segment, which I will add in this column. So select this column, then select cart list item properties. From here select this length, and all of that length I can get from this column now. If you want to add more column, just select it at the end, right click, select insert, then column right, and it will add column at the right. And now I will give some name for this. Weight, select this column, select cart list item properties and select weight. Now you can see it is showing weight for this 3, but it is not showing any weight for this. That means either all of this item does not have any weight custom properties or weight information is missing in that cart list. So go to the 3D file again, right click, properties, select this tube, and here you can see that weight is not showing here. So select weight and link it with mass. I will do same thing for all other segments. I am done, so press OK. Now I will go to this drawing view again. Now it is showing weight for all of these items. Now if you feel that you don't need this weld size, just select it, right click, then delete it. After adjusting everything, then if you want to save it as a template, you can do that. Just select it, right click, then save as, and save it as a template, so that next time you don't need to link up with all custom properties again and again.